I feel here grateful to deliver this farewell speech on such an outstanding day like this. We are all here to bid goodbye to our valuable principal, Mr. K. Prakash Shene, who retired from the active position. Today I realized how time and valued moments fly. At this time, I recall the poem by P.B. Shelley titled Ozymandias. It talks about a king who made monuments and statues of himself. But as years passed by, they were all destroyed and buried in the vast, endless desert sands. Unlike this king, some others leave their legacy in hearts of a people, which is never destroyed. Such a person has been our principal. He has scripted love and enduring respect in the hearts of all those who came in touch with him. Unlike buried moments of stone, what he has authored in our hearts will live on. As spoken in a famous movie, look around you. There is not a life in this room that you have not touched, and each one of us is a better person because of you. He has been in this respected position and service for over 10 years now. He had spent imparting the right knowledge and skills onto the students appropriately. He is sincere, responsible, well respected, and highly esteemed in this profession. We always believe that he is an achiever, generous, modest, and open minded person. One of the greatest lessons you have shown us is that you cared for all of us. Therefore, you earned the trust and respect of all who came in contact with you. The respect you showed to each one of us, your willingness and eagerness to involve us in taking major decisions are things that will be remembered. You were dedicated to your task, sincere to the core, simple in life, able to remain calm under pressure, and never yielding to anger. You not only were able to improve results in all courses, but also created a stress-free learning environment for students. You tried your best to improve quality of faculty and encouraged their development through education and research. Your student-friendly approach and your understanding of the background of each student showing extra concern for those having problems both in academic and personal will fondly be remembered for a long time to come. Your systematic approach to things and your emphasis on punctuality made working with you a pleasant experience. With all my heart and with the blessings of all present here, I wish you a contented and a joyous retired life. May you find useful ways to engage yourself in the service of God and men in the days to come. Thank you for your patience and efforts, sir. Your family can have more time and fun with you now. Also, we believe that you know your students always love and hang out with you. No one can erase your professionalism, affectionate gestures, and sweetness to us that are engraved on our hearts. On behalf of our whole college present here today, we wish your life is the best.